So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have a curve which satisfies the following condition. That is, the normal at any point P on this curve, if it meets the x-axis at G, OG will be equal to 2 times the abscissa of this point. That is 2 times the x-coordinate of this point. That is, OG will be equal to 2 times OM, and this is valid for each and every point on this curve. So if that is so, what is the nature of this curve? Will it be an ellipse? Will it be a parabola? Will it be a hyperbola? Will it be a circle? So on. So now let us try to convert this condition into a mathematical condition. This is a physical condition which is given. That is, the distance of origin from this point G is 2 times the abscissa of the point. So let us convert this equation completely into a mathematical equation. So what we need for this is 2x is in mathematical form. There is no need to change this. So you need to find the mathematical expression for OG. That is the distance of origin from the x-intercept of the normal. So to do that, I'll find the normal at a general point h, k on this curve and find the x-intercept of this. So let us say that h, k is a general point on this curve. And what is the slope of tangent at the point h, k? dy by dx. At the point h, k is the slope, right? Dy by dx at the point h, k is the slope of tangent. Hence, what is the slope of normal? So if I call this as equal to m, the slope of normal is minus 1 by m. So what is the equation of normal? Y minus k is equal to minus 1 by m times x minus h. This is the equation of the normal. So now once you have the equation of normal, you need the x-intercept of this normal. So to find the x-intercept, you just need to put y is equal to 0. So if you take y is equal to 0, this minus and minus gets cancelled. So x will be equal to h plus mk. X is equal to h plus mk, right? So that is, this point, the coordinates of this point are equal to the x coordinate of this point plus m times the y coordinate. This is h plus mk. So now what is the distance OG? OG is nothing but this length h plus mk. So according to this given condition, h plus mk is equal to 2 times the x coordinate of this point is h. Now once you got the equation in terms of h and k, I can put x in the place of h and k in the place of y, because the general point is given as x, y. So x plus m is nothing but dy by dx times y is equal to 2x. So dy y times dy by dx is equal to x, right? 2x minus x is x. So this implies y dy is equal to x dx. This implies if you integrate this on both sides, you get y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus c. And this implies y square minus x square is equal to 2c. So this will be the nature of curve. Obviously from the equation you can see that this is a hyperbola. Thank you.